I finished with the cabinets. Now I'm gonna do the drawers. I got this thing from Liquidators. It's this bamboo expandable cutlery tray, and it's 13 by 2.3 by 18, and this is what it looks like, and it also expands into something bigger. So this was like the most expensive purchase, but I felt like it was necessary because I have all my appliances, not appliances, all my kitchenware all in this drawer that I need to organize, and the drawers over here look a hot mess as well. And then this one is broken, but I'm still gonna make it work. And I have this drawer full of stuff over here. So I got this to go in that big drawer. I just gotta clean everything out. And in this drawer, I have a lot of like nail stuff, hookah stuff. And I actually found this caddy in my living room, and I put all my nail stuff in here. If you wanna see a video with everything that's in here, please let me know down in the comments. So now I'm just gonna take everything out of these drawers and see what we're working with. So hey guys, I'm currently editing this video and I realized I didn't give an overview of the drawers in my kitchen, so I'm gonna do that right now and show you what I've done. Mind you, that video was done a little while ago, so it may look a little different, but the concept is still the same, so let's get into it. So in this first drawer, this is what it looks like. I have this skinny divider and it's holding some plastic bags and a kitchen scissor. I got this from Dollar Tree. I recommend a kitchen scissor just to, instead of using a knife, this is more safe. I got this from Dollar Tree. I got this one from Dollar Tree and it's holding all my scrubbers. And this one is also from Dollar Tree. It's like a rectangular one. It's holding all my gloves. And in the back here, here's another organizer from Dollar Tree. It's just holding more different kind of scrubbers. In this drawer, the drawer that doesn't really open, I kind of fixed it a little bit, so I tend not to open it too much. But this is housing, in the back, is housing all my hookah supplies. I'm using the same container that was housing these in the last video. So here's some big tips, smaller tips, and the charcoal. There's a ruler here for some reason, just in case I ever need a ruler. 3 hookah flavors. And in the top here is this container from Dollar Tree. It's just holding my cotton balls for my nails, and it's holding matches just in case. You never know if you need any matches. So I gotta be careful with this because it tends to fall down like it is. So you gotta like, there you go. So you gotta not bring it out too far or it messes up. But I hardly ever use this drawer. In this drawer over here, I have this container from Dollar Tree, and it also has a small container. This is holding measuring tape, some packing tape. This is the fast drying nail polish remover. It just fit perfectly here. And this container I had in my other drawer, it just has some excess knives that I have, more packing tape, housing my screwdrivers, and I have a leveler right here. So that's what this drawer looks like. And the best drawer in the kitchen is this one. Yes, look at this. Isn't this super, super, super cute? This is the bamboo organizer. So it has my more sharper knives, butter knives, different types of spoons, forks. This is housing my metal straws. In the back is has a measuring spoon. Here it's housing the things I need for my blender, cork opener. In the back it has an extra bottle cleaner, more measuring supplies. I put this little organizer here since there was room, and this is housing my ties, like bag clips and different types of clips. And here are excess, you know, kitchen supplies. And in my last video of the cabinet organization, I forgot to show this drawer. So I'm going to show you guys now. Let me bring in my light. So in this drawer, as you can see, is housing all my pans here. This is my George Foreman and my hand mixer. Right here, I have a pan, a lid organizer right here. In the back is housing all my bigger frying pans and bowls. Over here are my oils, and in this basket from Dollar Tree, it just houses different types of kitchen supplies that I don't use that often, and it just hides in here. So yeah guys, I know I look a hot mess, but I wanted to show you the overview, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as usual. Be part of the Boss Gang, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me. This series is not over. Still have a couple of things I want to do around the house. Let me know down below if you like these type of videos, what other videos you want to see, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.